devil's advocate with you.
Yes.
Can you memorize in words what the names of those notes are? A, F, A, D, A, D.
A-F-A-D.
Okay.
A-F-A-D-A-D. Yes.
Now ask yourself, can I play A, F, A, D, A, D? Memorize it without you having your fingers on the piano. A, E, G, C sharp, A, C sharp. Okay, now without looking at the music, can you name both patterns from the first measure and from the second measure?
A,
Without even playing the piano. This is just
A,
a verbal
F,
yes.
A,
Mm-hmm.
D, A, D.
Good. And the second one?
A, E, G,
Mm-hmm.
C sharp,
Mm-hmm.
A,
Yes.
C sharp.
Now, can you say that again a second time? And as you do, pretend you're dictating a letter to your secretary. And,
Okay.
and here's your secretary.
Okay. A, F, A, D, G, C sharp, E, A, sorry, C sharp.
I think that'll lessen the difficulty that you're having there.
Okay.
I mean, you've played it a lot of times, so you have the sense
You
that
think
you
that-
should know it, right?
Yeah, no, but I don't.
But your fingers don't really know it
Yeah,
because
no,
they're
I've
not
forgotten
sure
all
where
of
they're
this.
going. Yeah.
Yeah.
They probably never were sure where they were going.
No, especially